I'm on a quest for some good jalapeno cheddar sausage. Or is it cheddar jalapeno sausage? I don't know. But I tell you what, we went to a place called Tender Smokehouse in Salina, Texas. And we had the cheddar jalapeno sausage. And it was cooked, smoked, cooked, whatever. And it was freaking fantastic. Was not extreme hot or anything. The blend of what they did was freaking awesome. So I've been trying to find one. I mean, if I buy it there, it's going to be all done. I just heat it up when I'm here. So, oh, real fast. Are you shopping Amazon this Christmas time or any time? You know, if you want to help the Papa Texas channel out without costing you an extra dime, all you got to do is go to the link down below. It'll go to Amazon, and everything you purchase, we get a little change out of it. It doesn't cost you another dime, but I know you're probably using Amazon, and all the money from that, except for the taxes, goes back to the Papa Texas channel, and we appreciate that. All right, so I want to show you what I got in this bag. So yesterday, I went to Ole Butcher Shop, downtown Plano, Texas, and I bought some cheesy jalapeno sausage. Gigi's out of town. She's down in Conroe, Texas. So Papa's a bachelor this weekend. So anyway, so I put it on the Z grills and got the temp up, got it going good, and I ate both sticks, both links. And then I took me a good nap. I really did. It was good, but not as good as Tender Smokehouse. I can't tell you enough about Tender Smokehouse. I'm going to leave a link to both these down below because they're both good, fantastic places. But the third one, this morning, I went to local, I didn't write it down, local Yocal, downtown McKinney, Texas, because they have the cheesy jalapeno sausage, and it's raw. Fantastic. That's what Papa wants. So I went down there, and I picked it up. Local Yocal. So while I was there, I saw some other stuff. This one here. Can you read that? Pork ring of fire sausage. They told me that this one has ghost peppers in it. So I'm gonna make this on a video. I bought 3 different flavors, and I'll taste test them for you. This one here is the pork jalapeno cheddar sausage. Pork, salt, cheddar cheese, jalapenos, garlic, black pepper, and water. Yeah. I'm looking forward to these. I'll leave a link to the video once I get it put up, because this raw look is pretty awesome. This one here is a buffalo blue chicken sausage. Buffalo blue chicken sausage. That sounds freaking awesome. I tell you what, on the prices, the Ring of Fire was $7.50 a pound. The jalapeno cheddar sausage, $7.50 a pound. The buffalo blue chicken sausage is $9.50 a pound. Those are in the ballpark of normal prices. All right, they have a ton of Wagyu stuff up there. And when I got up there early this morning, there's a freaking line. There's always a line at the local Yocal. And they have a restaurant across the street there, across the little highway, the old highway. But anyway, this is my quest, is to find that cheesy jalapeno sausage that we just love, that I can bring it home raw, smoke it, cook it, eat it. What do you eat with your sausage? Personally, since we're going into this, it's freaking cold here. To me it is. It's 38 degrees. But anyway, it's a 3-dog night. So what I like to do is I have the sausage, and last night's I didn't have to dip it in anything, but if I do dip it, it's going to be some brown mustard, and then I'll get me some club crackers and some ranch and cheese. And you blend that all together. Bite, 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 dip, dip, dip. All that. Freaking fantastic. This is a time of year. Any time of year is good for sausage. What am I saying? Anyway, next week is Thanksgiving. Y'all have a awesome Thanksgiving. I guess I'm going to have to put this in my vlog playlist. Did you know I have playlists? You can go down there and hit playlist under Papa Texas and say, I didn't know he had vlogs. I didn't know he had how-tos. I didn't know he had just a playlist for kettle cooking, Weber kettle cooking, Z grills, smoking, Blackstone, air fryer. Watch all of them you want to. Love y'all. Thank you for all your support. Have a fantastic Thanksgiving coming up. We moved our Thanksgiving to Saturday's our big meal. And I'm going to find some cheesy jalapeno sausage will be my part to take to the family get together. And then we'll go outside and play some cornhole. Yeah. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. We need to get Papa's Kitchen back in here now, don't we? Yeah. All right. Fantastic. See ya.